Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain how to assign the portal role for the user created in backend without logging into the portal system. For if the user is created in let's say for an example SRM backend using a program, so how to assign a portal role without logging into the portal. Let's get started. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for getting the notification of my latest videos. Let's get started. First, log into the portal system with the roles for user administration roles. Go to user administration tab and then select group uh, because the role created in a backend will be visible as a group in portal. So go to select the group and then type in the role name which is created in the backend SRM ECC. Here in my case I have created the role as RSP purchaser SRM. This is the role which I created in backend. So that will be visible as group here. So I'm just going to show you in backend the role which I created, that is RSP purchaser SRM. Click on display. This is a dummy role. For this there is no authorization assigned. It is just a dummy role. In portal it has been visible as a group. So now create another group in portal. Let's say RSP underscore purchaser underscore portal. So this is another role which is directly created in portal, and then give the description for it and assign portal some description and then click on save. So now we have created one new role directly in portal and we are saving it. So after you save, modify this role which we created directly in portal. Okay, now change the go to the group name which we created, yes portal, and then click go. Then it will display the new role created. When you click on display, it will show you the details and then go to modify. So after you modify, go to assigned roles. So at present there will not be any role assigned. As you see, there is no roles assigned. So now you search for the portal role, the respective portal role which you wanted to assign. So if in my case I'm going to assign SRM related roles, that is purchaser, strategic purchasing and operational purchasing. I'm selecting both the roles and click add. So now the selected roles will get assigned to this new group which we created in portal, and then save it. Now go to child groups. Go to assigned child groups, and there is no groups assigned as of now. So go to modify and then assign the ECC group, that is from ECC which you created the role, that is reflecting as a group here. So that group you assign to this child group. This is the role which is created in ECC, that is appearing as group. Select it and add. So for the portal role, we have assigned the child group, that is from ECC. So that in turn is having two portal roles, and then save it. Now go back to your log of your portal system and then go back to your ECC. Now I'm going to create a new user in the backend. I'm going to assign just the dummy role. So that in turn will copy the roles assigned to the group in portal as a child group. Let's say I'm going to create SRM underscore purch1 as the user, give some title, description as some SRM, first name as purchaser 1, and go to logon data. If you can provide any, set the password for, for the new user for which we are creating. Okay, and then go to defaults. Here you wanted to make a default date format, decimals and time, etc. So here you can set the default parameters, and then yeah, now go to roles. This is very important, and now click on the roles tab. So here no roles are assigned. Now we are going to assign the role which we created in ECC, that is RSP underscore purchaser underscore SRM. Okay, so this is one dummy role. And additionally, if you have any other roles for let's say I'm having some default employee role, so that I'm going to assign to the user. Select that role as employee role. Select the radio button, sorry, the checkbox, and then click on OK. So this role will get assigned to this new user, and save it. Now we are log into the portal with the new user SRM underscore Parchvan and the password which we have set already. I'm going to portal. Yes. Yep. So here I'm going to give the user ID and the password, and click on login. So this will directly ask for your password change since we are logging in for the first time. So enter your set initial password and then change to the new password. Click on change. Now it will log into your SRM system with the respective roles which is assigned to the groups.